I need to know who creates a mess like this when trying to get ready for literally anything. Anything you could ever think of. I don't care if I'm going to the post office. Not that that happens very often. I don't know why that was my example. I always, for some reason, have to pull out every single possible item and combination ever before I end up going with like my second or third choice. That's the way it is. With the brain like this. I'm sorry. Is anyone watching Love Island? I think I'm on episode 13, 14 right now. Ekin-Su drama. Might as well be called Ekin Island, because that is chaotic. I got a text. So, it's Pride, and I don't know what to wear. I'm kind of going back and forth on what to wear simply because every single Pride up until now, I've just been wearing like rainbow items, and as the Pride flag has been updated several times, I don't have the most like up-to-date flag, so I also don't want to really wear or represent a flag that isn't fully inclusive, because I think if we have the capacity and the ability to, that we should be like representing the most inclusive flag possible. Anyways, regardless, point being, the fact is, I'm sorry, that I don't have any of these updated Pride colors or paraphernalia. Anyways, so I think I'm gonna wear a skirt of some sort. First of all, it's hot and humid, and I don't really want to sweat in the dangly areas. Also, this is my first New York Pride literally ever. I don't think I'm gonna bring my camera or really show much of Pride, to be honest. I'll insert a few clips, okay, right here from my Pride day. Oh, so fun, so Pride, so gay, so non-bind, so vibes. Very yas, very queen, very slay, very, yeah, that was Pride. So, looks like you already saw my outfit. But, I'm just gonna keep getting ready anyways. I think I'm gonna wear this long, flowy skirt, this bandana that I found in a box on the side of the street. Have I cleaned it yet? And then this black tank top. I know, I already have, you know, deodorant stains on it. Oh, and then I'm gonna put my heels in it. One sec, I'm gonna wear these heels too. I'm also gonna bring Birkenstocks. First of all, because I wanna wade in the fountain ankle deep, and I'm not gonna like go swimming at Washington Square Park. And also, my feet are gonna hurt, and I'm not gonna stay in these all day. So, yeah. So I think that is a good vibe, I guess. I don't know. Let's try it on. So I think I've decided that I'm gonna wear this outfit instead of like a rainbow kind of piece of clothing, simply just because I feel like the whole point of Pride is really just showing up as yourself, and that's the most revolutionary thing that you can do. And that, yes, the visibility in terms of a rainbow flag, especially an updated one that includes like the trans stripes and the BIPOC stripes and also like the intersex triangle thing. I'm pretty sure, I think that's what it's for. I need to educate myself. I feel like the most important thing I can do in terms of showing up as myself on Pride is just showing up exactly in the queer way that I express myself and that I see myself in the world. I don't know, I think me showing up as like a non-binary person in like a skirt and in the femme way that I choose to present, revolutionary in itself, you know? And if I can show people that they can feel comfortable being their queer non-binary selves, then cute. Oh my god, slay. I look good. I need to put some little black eyeliner on though, but let me show you the whole fit because it's kind of compelling, if I do say so myself. Ow, my head, my brain just rattled in this little skull. Yeah, do we stan? Do we love it? Anyways, happy Pride to you. Oh my god, I haven't even talked about yet, like, it's a very interesting Pride because on Friday, SCOTUS, you know, obviously overturned Roe v. Wade, and I think it's very important queer people who are impacted by that, us trans, non-binary, and women in the community who are affected by, you know, the ripping of the most important, like, fundamental rights, which are rights to reproductive health and rights to your own body. So I think that's a super important thing to acknowledge this Pride, and that we need to be very cognizant in terms of our celebrations, especially as those of us white privileged gays. We have to realize that we are all impacted by this decision and that we all need to continue to fight and educate and say F you to our, it's very, very sad and disappointing. Not surprising, but it's just really, 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 really sad. It makes me scared for my women friends, my friends with uteruses. It's just like one of the most horrible things. So this is also a message for us to be cognizant about this Pride. Even though it's fun and we can be our queer selves and it is revolutionary, we also need to hold space for, you know, those who, this is a harder Pride and it isn't as like celebratory for those equinox gays. So. Slay. Anyways, happy Pride. I love you. I love you. Besos. How do you say kisses in Italian? Besos. I don't know. Yes. I also am really hoping to kiss someone at Pride today. I'm boosted and everything, so I'm ready to go. Someone kiss me. I'm sorry. Well, did I get a wee kisser? No, I didn't. I'm watching episode 17 of Love Island right now. Peace, love, and positivity.